Hello everyone, my name is Moses. In this video, I'm going to take you to Adobe Express. Any design that you want to do, you want to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos, thumbnail for social media, Instagram, Facebook, all the social media, all their thumbnails are in here. So in this video, I'm going to take you to all the things that you can find it in Adobe Express. You can create a logo, Instagram story, YouTube thumbnail, Facebook post, and Facebook cover, cards, invitation card, business card, and menus and brochures, resume and posters, wallpapers, all presentation graphics, album covers, book covers, or you can find it in Adobe Express. So these are some of the work I've done so far. All these are templates. You can choose any of the design you want, then you modify them. If you want to create a poster or flyer, you just set the template over here. So flyers, you search for flyers, it will come. Then you choose the one that you like. Yeah, like this one. Want to create a flyer for basketball or debate club, any cinema, or any fair. When you create a poster or for anything that you want to use using flyers, you can use. So you search for flyers here, then it will come. If you want to design a banner, you can search for banner designs. It will all come, then choose the one that you want to use. Something like this. Something like this. You can use when you create the remix these templates. You can modify it. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Express to design a thumbnail for a YouTube video or social media. So in this video, this is where you have seen that home and your project. So my project, some of the work that I've done so far. These are some of the thumbnail I created so far using Adobe Photoshop Express. Sorry. This is some of my thumbnail I've done so far using Adobe Express. Before you do this, you do the thumbnail, you need to get your pictures in your gallery or on your phone storage before you can do that. You can do the thumbnail first. So if you don't have it, you have to have it first before you open the Adobe Express. So here I'm going to show you how to do it. So because you are going to start a new project, you hit on the plus button below the right corner, then you come to more. All the pictures you have on your PC. So I have the pictures in my gallery, so I'll go there. So now these are the pictures I have. These are the pictures I have. So I want to use this. So I'll select one. add more. I'm going to add more, so 2. So I'm selecting this one and this one, so making 2, 3. So I've selected 3 images. So if I want to add another one, but I want only the 3, so after finish, click on the add. So this is how it will look like. This one is is for Instagram, Instagram story, Instagram portrait, Instagram landscape. So the landscape, this is how it look like. This one is for Facebook. This one is for Pinterest. And here is the YouTube channel, but you can see that it's not all that good. Ranking blog posts, oh, it's not that good, so I'm not going to use any of this. This one too, it's not all that bad, but I don't want any of this, so I'm going to use the Instagram post. Instagram. So this how I'm going to do it. So after you have selected how do you want to like, then you click on done here. Now add color. So any color you press, the shape inside around the pictures we change it to colors, any colors that you want. So choose any color that you want. Here like this, you press, it will change. No, I want something, okay, red will be fine, yeah. So when you are done, you click on done. Now you come to test. So the test tool, you come to font, then you choose any font that you like. You want to use something like this. This one is very bold, not all that. So choose any font that I think this one will be okay. So when you are done, then you click on here. You can so change the colors of the fonts. The more you scroll, the colors come. So you select any of the colors that you want to use to write so in thumbnail. This is how it works. I think this one is good. So now you're going to type. After changing the font color, then you come to edit. So when you click on it, it will highlight, then you delete it and type whatever you want to add. So I'm going to show you how to use a YouTube thumbnail on Adobe Adobe Express. So this is what I want to use in the thumbnail. So after you are done, click OK. So now I'm going to adjust it now. Since the colors are not all that way, so you can also change it. You can push it anywhere you want it to be, like this or like that. The more you move it, the more wider it becomes. Left or right, you decrease, it becomes small. The more you zoom, the wider it becomes, and you decrease by moving it down, decrease by moving it up. So this is how you do it. You use it to create a thumbnail on YouTube for your thumbnail. So I'm going to change the color again. Yeah. So customize this one. The more and more the color you want it. So I think this one is okay now. So when you are done, you click on download this. So now you can see that the channel is ready now to be downloaded. So when you are done, you click on here this arrow, the one up pointing down. The undo and re-undo, this one, the arrow, this one, then you click on, see, preparing your project. So immediately downloaded, it will give you this option, save, post, or share. So I'm not going to share it, so I'll click on save. Then, so when I click on save, it will save it on my phone. So image save. So now I'm going to where is, so I went to gallery. So now this what. So now this is the image, the thumbnail that I created using Adobe Express. Thank you. This is how to use Adobe Express to create a thumbnail. Please, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification button for new video. Thank you. See you in my next video. Bye bye.